Hi, my name's Alan Carter. I'm the president and CEO and founder of Cabral Gold. We're currently living in an environment where gold prices are very close to all-time highs, and there are a number of reasons that are driving the gold price, particularly high interest rates, geopolitical risks, and fears of currency devaluation. This scenario is set to continue, and in fact, the long-term forecasts for gold remain extremely positive. We as Cabral Gold have a 1.14 million ounce gold project in northern Brazil that is set to grow significantly in the near term, and we are transitioning from an exploration company to an explorer and expect to make a construction decision early in 2024. Our project is in northern Brazil. It's in an area called the Tapajós. The Tapajós is very well known in Brazil. It's the site of the world's largest ever gold rush, happened from 1978 to 1995. The Mining Agency of Brazil estimates there were 30 million ounces recovered here. Our project was the largest placer gold field in the whole region, and our project is right next door to a major new gold mine which is coming online. The major new gold mine is shown here in blue. This area is currently being developed by G Mining at a cost of about $500 million. Now, historically, our area, which is shown in pink on this slide, produced an order of magnitude more gold than the area in blue, which is currently under development. So we believe that ultimately we will find a lot more gold in the hard rock at Cuiú Cuiú. We currently have about just under 1.2 million ounces here, and we've made several new discoveries. The bulk of that resource I just mentioned is contained within two deposits at Central and MG. If you look in a bit more detail, this shows the distribution of the deposits. They're all contained within about a 6 or 7 kilometer area. The gold deposits that we've got so far in the hard rock are in blue. Above these gold deposits is a weathered sort of profile, which is basically saprolite material or mud, and that's what's depicted in the funnel shape on top there. It's all weathered, free digging material. So you can see those yellow blocks are where we have this weathered material, which is going to be a focus for us in the next few months. And what we're doing right now is we're doing a pre-feasibility study on mining and processing this weathered material. We know that it's very amenable to heap leach processing. We've got 82% gold recoveries here. It won't require any drilling or blasting because it's soft mud material. Our PFS is currently been done by Ausenco and should be done by the end of 2023. There's very good reasons to expect there actually could be quite a lot more gold in this material. We have about 230,000 ounces in the oxide material. Obviously, there's a lot more gold in the hard rock, but the focus for us is to develop this oxide material. And as I said, the PFS should be due by the end of 2023. We have the licenses in place for trial mining. As a management team, we've been directly involved in 5 grassroots gold discoveries in Brazil over the last 25 years. TZ is the largest of those. Well, we've successfully raised as a team throughout our career in the junior sector over $200 million. I'm the largest shareholder, having invested about $2.8 million thus far. We've got a good slew of retail investors. You can see on the graph there what happened in 2020. The share price took a massive rise from about 10 cents up to a high of about 85 cents. I think we're poised now. Obviously, the share price has dropped back due to market conditions, but I think we're poised for another significant run-up. The current market cap of this company is about $26 million. We have $7.3 million in the bank. So the enterprise value on a per ounce basis is only US $12.50 per ounce. That's indicated in Inferred. And I think that's the real opportunity. Lots of upside here. It is a district scale project. The 4 deposits that we currently have are depicted here in yellow in the yellow boxes. There's only 2 of those currently form the resource. The other 2 new ones at Mashishi and PDM, we don't have enough drilling to define resources on those yet. They need more drilling. And then there's this huge slew of other targets. We've got about 45 peripheral targets here that all need more work. So the objectives moving forward are to get the 43-101 done by the end of the year. In parallel with that, there's a lot more work that we've got to do on additional drilling, network. We are going to be doing some infill drilling on the oxide material, and we aim to make a construction decision by the end of 2024 and use the revenues from this operation to then aggressively expand underlying hard rock resources. So in summary, Cabral is a company that's in transition from an explorer to a producer. We currently have Ausenco working on the pre-feasibility study, which will form the basis for a construction decision in early 2024. We have an existing resource base of 1.14 million ounces with significant upside in both the two existing deposits that we've got. I, as the CEO, am the largest shareholder. I've invested $2.8 million of my own money, and we have a track record in Brazil. We're right next door to Brazil's largest new gold mine development. We have two new discoveries, two new deposits at Cuiú Cuiú, where we don't have enough drilling yet to define ounces. And it is a district-scale project with many, many peripheral targets. And as I said, the market cap of this company is currently equivalent to an enterprise value of just around about $12 per ounce of gold.